Should we all go in at the same time? Is he going to join us?
Yeah, we're going to be a group, right?
Yeah. Just wait for them.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Is that an N95 or what is that? What? Yeah. Oh, no, I don't know if it is or
If I go
not.
into Pee Wee's Alley, they wouldn't able to get me out of there.
Not really.
All right, we are about to go in to the Oldham County Courthouse so that I can find my documents, my motion to compel for my court case. And I have some wonderful people here who are going to just accompany me in for support.
I got this. I can't do two things at once.
That's right.
All righty. All right, so we're going to go in now.
I'm going to jail.
They can't make us do it.
Okay, I got since no bags or purses.
No.
Okay, so
So if we go,
says who may enter any individual with business before the courts except, and it says no one with symptoms. Does anyone have any COVID symptoms? There's the order right there for the pursuant to 12th Judicial District Court order effective 8/4/2021, face coverings will be mandatory inside this facility.
no Biden.
Y'all ready?
No.
What are they doing?
She's writing bullshit on her mask. No, I don't know what she's putting on.
Now they're all ready. Now they're ready for us.
Okay.
What'd you put on there?
Offers no protection for show only.
If you guys want to wear, masks,
I got one.
okay.
Where's the sign? I don't see a sign here.
Yeah, it's right here. They just put, they
Is it
didn't have that
Spanish?
last time.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah,
I'll hold the door for you.
thank you.
What does that COVID guidance say?
So here's the face covering order things. Hello. Yeah, I am here to file some court documents, please. And may I go in?
Did you get a mask on?
I have a medical exemption, so I'd like to request, according to your ADA policies and procedures for the courthouse, your ADA coordinator, please, sir.
Just stay put right here and I'll get my coordinator up here.
All right, great.
141, 140.
Oh, we're a 141, 140, whatever the hell that is.
Give me 9.
Oh, sorry.
I tell you what, if you're not in the building for court business or license.
They're
you can
assisting,
step up
they're with me, and this is a public building.
That joker.
That's okay, but you're not going to be allowed in the building.
Why is
We're
that?
not.
It's a public courthouse?
You see those orders by the judges there, ma'am? That's all I can tell you about.
I'm here to file my court documents. I need to get the ADA coordinator according to your ADA policies and procedures that I printed off from your website, please.
You get what, please?
Excuse me?
What you got in here? You?
That's your court ADA policies. It says that I can request a coordinator.
Okay, that'll be Steve. You all need to wait outside.
Well, I was gonna take the paperwork back if you refuse to let her go through there.
I'm going to get the coordinator out.
Oh,
there and let him
okay.
take care of it.
She's assisting me, and she's my advocate for
I'm
ADA.
going to get the.
You don't have a mask? That's what you're here about? Okay.
Y'all need
I
to wait
can't understand
outside.
you with the mask on.
What's that?
What'd you
I
say?
understand what you're saying. You need a mask to come in here, that's all I'm saying. You're gonna have to step outside right now.
Go ahead and get Steve. He's our coordinator.
I got it.
Do you have masks that you could
So
loan
y'all
them?
scared to death of this virus thing. It's a joke. Well, we don't make the court order.
you
we
have
just enforce
This
it.
isn't a
You
rule
don't
of
have to
ours.
listen to
It's
Bashir.
okay. It's okay.
We're just doing our jobs.
We're under orders from Supreme Court, has nothing to do with
Do you have a
government.
mouse you can offer him?
Well, he don't need to be in here, is my point.
Very-
Only person that have direct business with the court are allowed in.
They're here with me, and they're helping me to file my
They
paperwork.
don't have direct business.
They
with the
do,
court, no.
because they're assisting me, otherwise I would get bullied and harassed.
Okay. You all need to wait outside.
I was hoping I could stay with her.
I prefer you all wait outside until Mr. Kalen gets out here.
Until who?
Mr. Kalen, he's our coordinator.
We can talk to him, because he is the clerk, right?
Yes.
So we would like to speak to him.
We're not gonna do nothing until people start listening to me. I need you all to wait outside.
Just
Kalen will
outside
come
that
out
door
there.
there?
You're not allowed in
Outside the building, yes.
Outside the building, and Mr. Kalen will be out.
Well, I'm uncomfortable being here by myself, without my
Well,
family
all of you can
here.
Go out, Mr. Kalen will come outside.
I'm uncomfortable. They're my family, and I want them to be with me.
What you're doing is causing a problem in the
Hi, folks. Can we
courthouse.
help you? Hey. Hi.
How you doing, sir?
Doing well.
And you are?
I'm Steve Kalin. I'm the circuit court clerk here. And you folks? What can we help you with today?
I'm here to file my papers.
Okay, what papers you looking to file?
This is my motion to compel.
I'm sorry?
Motion to compel for my court case.
Okay, we'll get that filed and we'll give you copies back, okay? Just hang right here. We'll get that taken care of for you.
So, is that where you wanted to be, or did you want to be able to go back yourself?
Usually I have to go by my, I can go there. See how that's where the driver's licenses are, so you can't even get a driver's license here. If you're a civilian, people can get over the border of the,
You still filming?
I'm filming.
Filming doesn't bother me.
It's a public place where it's legal still, and if it's still America, if we're still under the Constitution, I don't know.
It's debatable.
I wondered when it happened to me if we were still in America.
Sheriff.
Yeah, we got it, yeah. What's that? I got you. Okay.
Sheriff. I'm just curious, we've been attending all kinds of open courtroom hearings and that kind of thing. What's the difference here that y'all don't allow people in the courtroom together, public?
That court order right there.
So Oldham, Henry, and Trimble, I'll have to read that a little bit later.
Policy is not law.
Right.
It's law as long as
This
this
is law.
judge makes it an order.
It is not law.
Ma'am, it is
There's
some
no,
violations, is it just a criminal charge, it's contempt of
there's
court.
something called the supremacy clause.
Here's a stamped out copy back for you. Okay, anything else I can do for you guys today?
Do you have any questions for the boss of the courthouse? He's the clerk.
Well, just the upholding of this policy here
It's not a
that's
policy,
being
ma'am,
called a
it's a
law.
Okay.
We attend a lot of open court hearings where public is allowed.
Well, of
You
course,
all
ma'am,
allow
it's
no
not
harm.
it's not my order. It's the Chief Circuit Judge, and by order of this Kentucky Supreme Court, they are authorized to issue those orders for the individual courthouses. Now, I'm not an attorney or a judge. I only run my office, right? And we got you taken care of today as far as those documents you want to file, okay?
Right.
You'd have to reach out for the judge as far as any comments.
Do these
on his
orders
order.
apply to all of your employees?
I'm
And
sorry, yes, ma'am, they do. The order kind of speaks for itself, okay?
why aren't they enforcing it amongst
Like I
themselves?
said, ma'am, the order speaks for itself, okay? All right, anything else I can do for you guys in regards to the business of my office?
No, I think we've handled
Okay,
it.
appreciate
Feel-
it.
Feel
Y'all
like
take
you've
care,
got everything
okay?
taken care of?
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you all.
Thank you, Steve.
Hey, guys.
I don't know why you wanted us to read it if it pertains to firearms. Because you said something about reading.
Everything's posted on that door out there.
Oh, yeah, out there.
So I have a question. Is your old sheriff here constitutionally trained?
Yeah.
And are you
also
constitutionally trained sheriff?
Yes.
You actually are trained?
But I think she's
Just
ready
curious.
to move
We're
along.
very concerned about getting all the sheriffs in the state of Kentucky trained. And I just wondered where you know, this area is good with. Thank you for coming. Would you say that most of them are? Sheriff,
I can't answer for the
deputies
departments.
as well?
I can't answer for their agency.
Once you go around there, Sheriff Sparrow, I'm sure he'd be glad to tell you which of us are cop certified, which I think everybody on his department is, but I don't even know what that has to do with anything, man. We're following a judge's order. That's all we're doing.
Right, this is just a sign.
This is not the sheriff's order. You understand? This is a judge's order.
That's what you say, I understand that.
Okay.
You know, we're trained under a whole lot of
would
care.
supersede anybody. Sheriff's.
No, man, you need to brush up on your law. The sheriff can't override a judge's order.
I was on her.
We are only enforcing the circuit judge's order. That's all.
If we do file the order, we
Alright, okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Wait, you know, well.
Thank you for coming.
You all right?
See?
Are you?
All right, you survived.
We did it. We did it, everybody.
But I
You
tell you
bunch
what
of
you really need to
troublemakers.
do. I tell you what you need
I
to do.
forgot this. When I took the other one out
Had a
of my
big-
hip,
big
I
old
forgot
knife.
that.
Uh-oh.
And I'm not gonna lose
My
that.
hands are shaking. I am literally shaking.
You're fine. You did very well. Very, very well. Very well.
Thank you. Thank you.
I
All of
think
you
I'm
did.
like Lance,
You're a hard
though.
worker.
I'm like
Can I
Lance.
give everybody a hug?
Yes.
No. Thank you.
You're gonna be fine. Hey,
Good there.
you're at least still not in jail.
I know. I thought they were all gonna do. I thought I was gonna end up in jail again.
Yeah.
Thank
So
you.
listen,
So where can I get this sign in?
Lance made a very good. Well, they just made them. Somebody ran them off.
Thank you.
Okay, good.
You're
Good
welcome.
luck.
I'll send it to
Thanks so
whoever, and you
much.
can give it to her.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome,
Hey,
ma'am.
Shannon.
So what range did you go to that you got you in trouble?
So I do have a video I could send you guys if you want to watch the arrest video. But I just was taken by my husband to a shooting range here, an indoor shooting range,
What's it called?
open range.
Okay.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So
that's-
here's
where
what
Champs
Lance
used to
said.
be.
This is where you really probably will make a bigger.
Okay.
Is having a group picket outside the shooting range several days. When they lose business, he's right. That's when they're going to change their methodology.
We've changed ours down in Barstown.
Well, and at least it'll bring attention to the community because some people aren't even aware that that went on. And your case is coming right up, so.
Yeah.
So you going back to jail?
I thought I might
They're
today.
gonna throw
We'll
it out.
come
of
see
court.
you.
No, we're
Throw
just
it
going to
out.
be
The
smart.
point
in how we
is, the
play game.
clientele at the shooting range are going to be the people that are sympathetic to you. They're going to think it's absurd that they're dragging a mom out of a shooting range for not wearing a mask. So
like
you
you
hurt
said.
their business, and they'll drop their lawsuit.
But how do I get my story out?
Well, it doesn't matter about the story. You're hurting their pocketbook. So you just need to
That'll
have.
go down to that, but
You need to have it. Maybe as much as 10. It's going to be hard to get more than 10.
Oh, I
But if
see.
you get 10
When we
people
pick
out
it.
there that have very clear
I'm
signs about
trespassed
what
off
happened,
technically, so I'm not allowed to go.
Well, then you'd be across the street.
I'd have to find
Yeah,
that because you're allowed to stand on any public.
property.
If it's a
That's right.
sidewalk, if it's
Yeah.
you can't be on private property, but you can be on any sidewalk. And I know the area a little bit. It's kind of off and back in the.
Yeah, it
back.
has a great big parking lot like a skating rink would.
But
And
at the very least, you can be literally right there by the road where you turn
Yeah.
in to go
We
down
could
there.
have handouts, support Shannon, this is what happened, or something like that,
Yep.
explaining, they can take it in and read it.
I'll tell you what
But
we can
directly embarrassing them and hurting their pocketbook
So
is
what
the
I
way you
can
get them
do-
to drop their lawsuit.
do is
That's who's really hurt.
well,
We'll
it's
make
not a
a-
lawsuit; it's an arrest case, so it's
Well.
criminal. So the state is actually prosecuting
you send
the
me
charges.
your information and I'll put it on a petition to have them crooks down in Barstown sign it at the range. I got a little bit of insight there.
Can I leave it up to you guys to plan it? Because I'm going to be going to Texas
You're gonna
soon,
be going
and
to jail? Oh, Texas.
hopefully not. But
Yeah,
I've
okay.
done it already, and
Well, we'll be in touch. Y'all figure it out.
Yeah, I can do that.
I
'cause
think
I've
it's a
got-
great idea.
We've got a range
You need
in
to
Barstow.
talk about this wherever you can, on whatever social media you haven't been kicked off of. And,
Yep.
you
Write
know, really get
write
it
an
out
op-ed
there.
to the Oldham era. Get it in the newspaper about what happened.
So
maybe someone
got
you could
out
help
at
me
open
do that.
range, use outside.
I can be of some assistance. I'm not as smart as the rest of them, but
It's
So
literally
you
I mean-
one to
outside
two
at the open
paragraphs
range?
No,
and send
it's
it
an
in
indoor
there.
shooting range, and they wouldn't let me go from literally from here to there through the door.
Don't write that op-ed until you've got a date planned out for your open range picket.
All right,
you can
it
include
would
that
be
in
when
your
I
meeting.
come back, probably,
right.
unless someone wants to do it soon.
We'll work on some word in support of you, and they put it down at Kentucky Gun Company.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Little company is going to take over the world here.
But
All
isn't that
right.
scary?
Are y'all committed to being
It-
there?
I
at
am.
Open range?
I am.
Guys, okay.
Depends on what it is, but if
What about
I've
you?
got time, I'll go.
You're
Well,
not going to have to
Thank
put
you
a
for
mask
coming
Drove me
again.
down here, and she told me it was a meeting.
If
I
Anita
didn't-
says so,
These two
by
told me it was a
golly.
meeting.
I
They-
did not
Thank
tell
you.
say how many
Thank you
beer
for
I had
coming.
to supply
Oh, there you
afterwards.
go. You're going to have to take him out for a beer, huh?
We should all go for a beer now.
Yeah. Hey, I'll treat you guys
Right
to a
across
beer.
the street. Let's do
Y'all,
it.
y'all want to do a margarita?
And thank you, sir.
Y'all talk to you soon.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thanks again for
I know I
coming.
can count on you. You're just adorable.
I just put it out there, girl.
Yeah.
I run
You were so calm too. I appreciate that.
I run
She's
a pistol club.
experienced.
Very experienced.
She's got RN nursing behind her.
Oh,
That's staying calm.
nice. Wow.
Yeah, she's from Louisville.